So this is going to be a quick demo on how to draw a bird. First thing you want to do is start with your main lines and then draw in your main basic shapes. So for the head, it's kind of like a roundish ball or a rounded square. And then the body is basically an egg shape. And you want to draw that around that line going through the body that gives you the nice angle. And you can see how the feathers and the wings align with that first main line. Once you block in your shapes, what you want to do is add your sub shapes. In this case, that would be like the feathers on the wing. Now, normally when I do this with the pencil, I do it very, very lightly. So I'll use a 2H or 4H pencil, and then I'll go back over it and add my details and textures with a darker pencil like an HB or 2B. Just be aware when you go into the softer Bs, like the 4Bs and the 6Bs, that those pencils get really dull really fast and you'll have to constantly sharpen them. So here again, big shape first, break it into your smaller shapes, like keep your lines light, and then go in and add your details and textures afterwards. Anything that stands out that shouldn't be there, you just erase it, and it'll be like it was never there because you drew so lightly. Really pay attention, constantly look back and forth between your reference photo and your drawing, and that'll help you stay more accurate. The problem a lot of people have is they'll look at the reference photo and then they'll just start working on detail without ever going back to the photo, and that's where you get just a ton of mistakes. So again, paying attention to detail is very, very important, but starting off simple is even more important. And that's it for this bird tutorial.